Friends, as you all know, with the previous video, there is the latest update and a breaking news that the final C&R rules have been released. That is, the gazetted C&R rules are being published in the Karnataka Rajya Patra, and they have given all details which are updated now for PSTR, GPSTR and HSTR. Aspirants were asking about the age limit, so that's why I am giving you these details here. Here you can see that the screenshot I have taken is from the C&R rules PDF only. It is a very lengthy PDF, so I don't want to make it tough for you all by keeping on searching. So that's why I have made it easy here. So here they are telling that the age limit for the appointment under these rules, a candidate must have attained the age of 21 years and not attained age limits specified in the table below. So here for SC, ST and category 1 and persons with a disability, the upper age limit is 45 years. Whereas for category 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, the upper age limit is 43 years. And for all general merit candidates, the upper age limit is 40 years. And how the age will be calculated? They are telling the age of a candidate shall be calculated as on the last date fixed for receiving applications. Means when the notification will come, no, in that they will give the last date to apply online, right? So based on that date, they will decide the age limit itself. I mean, your age will be calculated based on that last date of receiving applications itself. So this is the age limit. You can ask more doubts whatever you have in the Telegram group or in the comments below this video. We will try to clear your doubts like this by making the small videos, because aspirants are getting very much confused. So if you have small videos in our Unfog YouTube channel, you can easily search and you can clear your doubts, because this is going to be very important now, and we can expect notification also anytime very soon, because the final C&R rules have been published now, and they are telling that once the notification is out and the syllabus is released, the exam date will be within 1.5 months, they are telling. So please make your preparation little bit fast now and don't waste time thinking about any negativity. Just try to focus on your studies and make sure to make best use of the time right now. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.